Hello, this is a video on how to add and subtract decimals. It is a video to accompany my PFD Bootcamp Module 2 on decimals. Let's take a look here and see what's going on if we want to add 23 5/10 plus 8 and 76 hundredths. 23.5 is the same as 23 plus 5/10. 8.76 is 8 plus 7/10 plus 6 1/100ths. So if I'm going to add these, I have 23 plus 5/10 plus 8 plus 7/10 plus 6/10. Now, we're not actually going to be doing it this way, but the reason I point it out this way is that in order to add decimals, we have to add fractions with common denominators. In other words, the 5/10 needs to be added to the 7/10. The 5/10 is here, 7/10 is here. So the 5/10 is one number to the right of the decimal point, and the 7 is one number to the right of the decimal point. These are the numbers that need to be added. So what we're going to do is we're going to line up our decimals. So I'm going to take the 23.5 and I'm going to take my 8.76. This would be incorrect to line them up this way, because then I would be adding a 3 and a 7/10, and that's not correct. What I want to be doing is adding the 5/10 and the 7/10. So I line up my decimal point. This way the place values are going to be lined up properly. Now let's go ahead and do the addition. The way we do the addition is the normal way we do addition. The algorithm says to start on the right. 6 and nothing is 6. 5 and 7 is 12. So I'm going to put down 2 and regroup the 1. 1 and 3 and 8 is 12. So I'm going to put down a 2 and regroup the 1 and 3. Now it's very important that we put the decimal point in our answer, which is right here, lined up with the decimal points. So my answer is 32 and 26 hundredths. Now let's go ahead and do a subtraction. 56 and 871 thousandths minus 3 and 2/10. I'm going to write down the first number, and now I'm going to write down the second number with the decimal points lined up. And now I'm ready to do my subtraction. I start on the right hand side. 1 minus nothing is 1. 7 minus nothing is 7. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. And 5 minus 0 is 5. Put the decimal point in my answer, and my answer is 53 and 671 thousandths. There's one more important example we need to do. In this example, we're going to have 23 and 5/10 minus 8 and 76 hundredths. The thing that's going to be difficult is the subtraction right here. Whenever we have a situation like this, we can always add a 0 to the end of the decimal so that we can do the subtraction. 6 from 0, I'm going to have to regroup or borrow, so I'm going to do that now. The 5 turns into a 4, and I bring this over and I have 1 here. 10 minus 6 is 4. Then 7 from 4, I'm going to have to regroup again. Take a unit off of here and make this 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 2 minus 8, I'm going to have to regroup one more time. This becomes 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. And my answer is 14 and 74 1/100ths.